Goons Mob, motherfucker.
David. Wonderful Facebook.
Boy. They call me Easy, motherfucker.
So the guys right here. What's in the last video? Think about how to do this one. About to go first one now. Yo. Life's got me tripping. God's my only witness. I've been through so much. Let that pistol be my protection. Purple in my drink. Smoking on some dank. I gives a fuck about bitches. I just want the money in bank. I'm on the road to success. I only roll with the best. Got niggas hating on me daily. Goon my motherfuck the rest.
I'm young and I'm reckless. God, please protect me. To make sure I got this rosy necklace. I go hard, never expect less. Truth is, I don't give a fuck. I rep the West, nigga, fuck the rest. OGs feeling my chest. Honestly, I'm feeling blessed, but I sin so much, I'm wonder when I'm gonna meet my fucking death. I spit the truth to my last breath. Let my homeboy spit the rest.
My turn to hit this verse. I apologize if I fucking curse. So ill, I need a nurse. I'm never last, I'm always first. Yeah, I'm sipping on this Mickey. You know it got me tipsy. I need a bad bitch to get with me. They all used to diss me. Now I'm at the top, so they never hesitate to sleep with me. I got them bitches down the fuck. Got them getting sprung. After that, I'm done. Yeah, it's time to leave. Yo, don't give me bullshit, please. Goons, mom, yeah, we like to fucking tease.
Cody constantly to give a fuck. I mean, I'm young, so I'm acting dumb. Even though my life hasn't really begun. But ever since my grandma passed 2 years ago, I've been stuck on this same road. I look left, I look right, I still can't fucking sleep at night. I know I'm deep up in this verse, cause this time I fucking rehearse. Got a cut full of texts and that bad bitch in the Lex, one of the sexes. But guess what, I'm on that shit like ASAP on that fucking lean. Guess what, I'm a fucking fiend. On this drugs, don't show no love, no bitch can get me, fuck you G.
Goons my bitch.
Hey, shout out to all the haters though. Shout out to everyone watching this right now.
This is that West Coast Cali shit, motherfucker.
Shout out to everyone sharing it.
Like our video, comment our video, share our video. Get us known, bitch.
Locations Norwalk, motherfucker. Southeast LA, motherfucker.
Rosecrans, nigga.
California.
Love y'all.
Like.